commissioned flour tortillas for this particular recipe. And of course you'll need some eggs. Breakfast is not breakfast without eggs, right? And cheese. You gotta have some cheese on breakfast wrap. Again, that's optional, but of course. Some other options are you could go with some turkey breast for your meat, Jimmy Dean fully cooked turkey for the insides, and we're gonna use some onions as well. First step is to get a pan. It's right here. Butter it up, spray it, and we're gonna scramble our eggs. You could either scramble it or hard boil eggs. So first thing I do is get everything ready. Cut some mushrooms up. Put some mushrooms in my cuts. Slice them up some more, slice them up, make some munchies. I like to throw some green peppers in there. Turkey, pre-cooked turkey. We're gonna mix all these together. And just kind of flat them out like that. Like so. Said flip once, and this is actually ready to go. Quesadilla maker, and I just use that. Here's my wrap. I'm going to take that, just load that right there like that. Put a piece of cheese here, right in the middle. But I like a lot of cheese here and here. Grab our egg. Go right in the center here. Put that on here like this. As much as you want here. Then what I do here is I'll take a piece of cheese, cut it in half. Right in the middle. Take it. Like so. Try to keep it in there. Like that. Like so. Kind of flatten it down. Cut it right in half. Drop this down. You take your skillet and you take the wrap and you would wrap it inside, and you can just cook on one side, take it, flip it, cook it on the other side. So either way. Alright, at 5 minutes, we got it done. We'll open it up, get our plate. Plate. Slide on over to our plate. Nice little breakfast wrap, all set up and ready to eat.